Bonjour, welcome back to my French YouTube channel. J'espère que tu vas bien. Moi aussi, je vais très bien. Aujourd'hui, on va commencer avec ce sujet. Today, we are going to start with this topic, les pronoms relatifs simples. C'est très important pour la classe 9e et 10e. So, this topic is very important for class 9th and even class 10th. So, we're going to start. What is pronom relatif simple? Okay, any kind of pronoun. I think by now you are already aware that any kind of pronoun is used to replace noun. So similarly this topic as well, you can see I've already written there are three types of pronom relatif simple. Qui, que and que avec apostrophe. With qui there is no apostrophe. And the next one is ou. So where do we use qui, where do we use que and where do we use ou? We're going to see this. The hint that is required for you to understand in which sentence you're going to put which pronoun. For qui, always remember that after the blank there will be a verb or a pronoun. And qui particularly means which or who. Okay. And for que, we'll see this. Okay. Que, you need to have a subject pronoun, okay, je, tu, il, elle, or if il is not there, someone's name is there. Instead of il, we are writing Peter, so it is one and the same thing. So I'm going to write here proper noun. That means someone's name is there. Proper noun or les enfants, père, mère, okay. Ou is used to replace place. It's used for place and time period. Place we all understand, right? Time period, it was on that day when my sister was born. So we were basically talking about some kind of day. Okay? So that comes under timing. So I've also written few sentences here. What you can do is, you can simply note down this. Qui, que, ou. Qui is basically which. The translation keep on changing depending on the sentence. Que is that. Ou is where. Okay, so it will keep on changing. So let's start with our sentences. You can see two types of questions are written here. First 6 parts are fill in the blanks, complétez les blancs avec qui, que, ou. And next is relier les phrases. You need to join the sentence, okay? Just join the sentence. So we'll see the second part later. Let's start with the fill in the blanks question. La ville dash je suis né in Nice. So you need to read the sentence, you need to understand the sentence. The city dash I was born is Nice. Nice is a city, where is it? It's in France, très bien. So the city, which one are we going to write? We're talking about a place. So we're going to write où. The city where I was born is Nice. Next, la jeune fille dash passe est ma voisine. So figure out this word after the blank. It is a verb. And we're also talking about the girl. So the young girl dash passing is my neighbor. The young girl, after the blank there is a verb. So we can never write this que. It will never exist. After the blank there is a verb. So there is a possibility that we have to write qui. So the young girl, qui passe, who is passing is my neighbor. Next part, le jour il pleuvait. We're talking about a particular day, a particular time period. So for a particular day, we write où. The day when it was raining, he came, il est venu chez moi. He came at my place. Next part, montre-moi le village. Dash je dois aller. We're talking about what here? Montre, c'est quel verbe? Montrer. Montrer, to show. Montre-moi le village, show me the village, dash je dois aller. Where I must go. We are talking about the village. I hope you understand. Next part, j'ai des amis, dash aime jouer au cricket. I have some friends, dash aime. Now again after the blank there is a verb. So j'ai des amis qui, who likes to play cricket. Last part, l'endroit dash j'aime beaucoup aller. Again l'endroit. So you need to understand these few words for places, okay? Endroit ville, endroit means place. L'endroit dash, the place where I like to go is near my house. So this is how you're going to attempt the question for completing the blanks. Similarly, you can also get a question for joining the sentences. And when you join the sentences, always remember you need to delete, you need to eliminate the word which is being repeated. So if you see my first sentence, c'est le jour, full stop, ma sœur est née ce jour. So what is being repeated here? C'est le jour. And ma sœur est née ce jour. So we're going to cut this because it's repeated. And where full stop is there you can write your answer. C'est le jour, it's the day where and particularly when my sister was born. Then at the end we're going to put this full stop. Next sentence. Les enfants font du bruit. You need to see the repeating word. Le bruit est insupportable. So which is the word that's being repeated? First sentence you have to leave it as it is. Second part, which is the word that's repeated? Bruit, très bien. So bruit we're going to eliminate. So we're going to delete this bruit. Les enfants font du bruit. So just copy. Just copier. Les enfants font du bruit. Full stop will be removed from here. And the children are making bruit, noise. The children are making some noise. Dash est insupportable. Okay, so if I imagine here is a fill in the blanks and this is the part that's left. A insupportable. Insupportable, can you guess the meaning? If you talk about noise, what can be insupportable? Children are making some noise. Dash is unbearable. Très bien, okay? So dash est insupportable. Key. There is also one more hint that I would like to share here. For example, sometimes there is a confusion and you are unable to guess the correct answer. What you can do is eliminate the options that are not possible. Okay, for example, 3 options we have here. Ki, ka, u. And if I talk about the last sentence, the children are making some noise. Okay, we know we're talking about something noise. So, OU will definitely not come here. We're not talking about any place or time. Ka cannot come here because where you've removed the full stop and after that there is a verb. So, with ka, after the blank there is a verb, this can never be possible. Never ever possible. After ka, there is a verb. This case is never possible. Okay, so which is the option that's left? Ki. So you can also go by this way. Either you can go read the sentence and figure out the answer, or you can start eliminating the pronoun relative circular, which is not possible. Okay, so keep practicing this topic. If you have any doubt, put it down in the comment section. Thank you so much for all your love and I'm going to see you in the next video. Au revoir.